Hey everybody, thank you so much for the response that we're getting out there. A lot of you have RSVP'd. In fact, we are right on the edge of being full for this class. So we may have to do another one going forward for all the people who couldn't make it into this class. Just wanted to give you a little bit of homework for what we're gonna do in the next week or over the next few days. Shoot 3 to 4 30-second long videos of some event that you're at.
Either that or the front of your home if you're walking in, so you'll be doing open houses, I'm sure, so that'll give you a little bit of practice. Curb appeal from your front yard, walking in your front door, maybe a little bit of your kitchen, maybe if you've got a beautiful backyard, do some just quick 30-second videos, and we're going to teach you how to edit them.
That's right, so we're going to use that as footage that you have for your first video. We're going to work on that in class. We're going to show you how to edit it, how to put it all together, so you're going to leave here really with a good understanding of how that all works.
So be sure and come, bring your phone, bring your appetite. We're going to have a great time. If you happen to have your broker's logo, save it in your pictures and bring that. That would be great.
That's true. That'll be really helpful. So thank you guys. We're excited to see you.